Today, we're unboxing the Taser Bolt 2. Okay, we have the much anticipated brand new Bolt 2 energy weapon by Taser. Of course, you can carry with confidence because it is made by Taser and everything that they make is with a standard of excellence. Inside this box is one Bolt 2, one wrist strap, 2 live cartridges, and 2 CR123 batteries. Now this is really important because you can get these batteries anywhere, okay? And one cover leash and one practice target. Let's see what's inside this box. And the box, just like the products, is made very futuristic, very well thought out. You see what it says here? Taser, the most advanced energy weapons on Earth. And protect what matters to you. Your loved ones, yourself. Taser gives you that ability to take care and keep them safe. All right, so inside we've got some quick reference cards. We can see here the CEO and founder, Rick Smith, has a good message. And then there is the nomenclature. On the back here is the battery pack. This is a textured grip. If you're in a use of force situations, a lot of times people perspire and they have a hard time gripping things, so that helps you maintain your grip. You have the laser, which can tell you approximately where the top probe is going to land on the assailant if you deploy this unit. And then the LED, the light emitting diode flashlight. A lot of times your assaults happen at night. And so you want to be able to illuminate your target to make sure what your target is. And even as in firearms, we say know your target, know what's beyond your target. So you want to make sure if for some reason you were to miss, where's that probe going to go? Where's that going to land? And want to make sure that it's safe for everybody when you use this weapon. So here's the 2 probes that come out. And then this is like a dust cover, safety cap. Like almost a portable holster, that, it's covering the front of it and you can carry it wherever. The safety switch is what you push forward if you decide you're going to go ahead and arm the weapon. When you do that, then the safety cap falls off and it'll illuminate the firing button, letting you know that it's ready to be deployed. And then we have the quick start guide here. It has the steps here on what you do to put batteries in to go ahead and load the cartridge. Now here what's important is see the indicators. When you turn the safety switch on, providing you have the batteries loaded, a green indicator means that it is green and ready. Yellow means your battery's getting low, and red means you need to replace those batteries right away. So that's what's important to remember there. And here we actually have the device. Now you'll notice you can look through this window and see there's no cartridge loaded yet in this device. I'm going to show you how to do that. But I can go ahead and show you how to replace the batteries. While we've got this out, we keep talking about batteries. So you slide this off, battery cover, and then, all right, so here is the batteries coming out. See there we have the CR123 batteries you can buy anywhere. And see how it fits in there. There's a groove. There's a groove in the batteries and there's a groove in the port where you're going to slide it in. And then we have the contacts here. They're going to match the contacts in there. We slide that back in. Press that down good and firm. And actually we depress that fully. And then we put the end cap back on and slide it into place. We've got the batteries installed and we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the device without deploying a cartridge. You can look through here and see that there's not a cartridge installed because I'm just going to go ahead and go through the motions here and show you what it's like to deploy the device without actually firing a cartridge. So if you're carrying the device and you come into a situation where you feel you might need to use it, you press the safety switch forward and that will dislodge the safety cap, and we'll also turn on the LED and the laser. See our laser on the wall over there? Okay, and then our flashlight as well. Now, if you assess the situation and you say it's going to be a justifiable use of force, then you aim and then you press the firing button. Now that's going to give a 30-second ride to that person. If you have a cartridge in, it's going to fire the cartridge and the two probes are going to come out. And you want to be optimally about 7 feet away, because for every 7 feet, you get 1 foot of probe drop, okay? The top probe is going to come out relative approximately to where the laser beam is point of aim, point of impact. It's going to be approximate in that area. And then the second probe is going to drop about 8 degrees. So I would suggest a minimum of 7 feet. 7 to 12 feet is good, because the farther away you are, the more probe drop you get, and the more chance you get of neuromuscular incapacitation. It affects more muscle groups. And then ideally, if you can fire it in such a way that one probe goes in the general vicinity of the lower abdomen, and then the bottom probe goes into the upper leg, then you get 2 separate muscle groups, large muscle groups, and then you have greater NMI, neuromuscular incapacitation. So just remember, once you do fire that, it's 1 deployment, but you can do multiple cycles. If for some reason you can't get away, then you can go ahead and cycle it again. And you can do that until help gets there, or your assailant gives up, or you have a window of opportunity to escape. So remember, it's 1 deployment, multiple cycles. Okay, let's load the bolt tube. What we'll have to do is press the safety switch forward to remove the safety cap. Then we move it to the rearward position to make sure that the unit is off. You can see we have the cartridge face down on a hard surface. We line up the unit over top of the cartridge and we press until it clicks. You see it's fully seated. We never put our hand in front of the blast doors. You can put the cover back on if you're going to carry the unit, but I'm getting ready to test fire it, so we're going to leave the cover off. Taser, taser, taser. Okay, we're approximately 7 feet from the target in darkness. I'm going to push the safety switch forward on the C2 to show you what the light and the laser looks like. There we go. See how it covers the target well in illumination. And then we have the laser clearly pronounced, so we can move that target area down to the preferred area. Okay, for our deployment, we used a taser reactive target. Let me show you what that looks like in the dark. Now that gives you an idea of what's going on in the muscle tissue below the skin during a cycle.
Amazing! Now, if you're interested in the Bolt 2 or any of the hundreds of self-defense products available at the Home Security Superstore, just click the link in the description below. This is Philip Ball reminding you to think tactically and stay safe. And victory favors the well-trained warrior.